Excuse me?
Open the door.
What's the problem?
Police, search warrant.
No, you don't.
James Bartolo is the fourth man to be arrested over a planned protest in central Melbourne this weekend.
Open the door off us.
The self-proclaimed conscious truth seeker posted the video and follow-up messages to his Facebook page.
They broke down the door, arrested me, they just took computers, laptops, that kind of thing, phone.
Police say they also seized 5 samurai swords, charging the 27-year-old Taylor's Hill man with possession of prohibited weapons, resisting police and inciting the potential protest. Police have warned more than 80 people not to go.
But those groups have always been there. By and large, they exist and thrive in their own echo chambers.
But he says now they are risking public health.
This is the stubborn tail of the epidemic curve.
Many suburbs in Melbourne's north and west are going into their 10th weekend in lockdown. The government has clarified the rules for parents and carers. They'll now be allowed to spend up to 2 hours a day away from home. 1 hour playing with their young children and another doing their own exercise. Union heavyweight John Secker is urging the government to immediately restart the construction industry, adding his voice to calls from struggling businesses.
It will be 5 minutes of sunshine and we will be back into these sorts of restrictions again. And that will be no good for any business.
We wouldn't be happy opening up at 80 cases a day.
A contact tracing system involving local councils and community groups in Melbourne has been proposed.
The model has the potential to reduce the time it takes to make contact with people who are diagnosed.
The 59 deaths announced today is the biggest one-day rise, but most happened over recent months and have only just been added to the state's count.
We don't run private aged care. Their responsibilities are to an entirely different government. This is not a criticism, it's just a fact. It is to a certain extent a complicated system.
Victoria's death toll has risen to 650. 505 of those fatalities are from aged care.
Premier, you and your government are responsible for this horrific loss of life. Will you do the honourable thing and resign?
I'm not one to shirk the responsibilities that I've been given.
James Hancock, ABC News, Melbourne.